guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Radha, and today's video I will be doing pack with me for summer vacation. I am super excited for my summer vacation. We are going for a road trip to Utah and Nevada for a week or a week and a half. And yeah, don't you worry because we are trying to be as safe as possible. Most of the places that we are going to are natural parks, so I'm super excited to see amazing places like that. Today I'm going to pack because I'm leaving tomorrow and I haven't packed anything yet. I have to do it today, so let's get started. I'm super excited for this trip and I'm going to show you where I go for sure, and I hope you guys stay tuned for it. So what I need basically are top, t-shirt, cardigan, jean or short, swimming suit and dresses. So let's see all of them together. Okay, so I think for my tank top, I think I'm going to bring my tie-dye top. I think this is very cute and looks very fun. I'm so sad because I cannot do the haul before I leave, but yeah, this one is from Sarah and I really like it. I wore this before and I think this is pretty cute and it's very tiny, and this is, I believe, is in S size. Another top I found. This top is super cute, so I really like it. I will bring this with me too. I think I'm going to get my black t-shirt, a Lisona t-shirt. This is, everyone said that it is super cute, so I think I'm going to bring this just like chilling or something when I need it. So I also bring my cardigans as well. I know it is summer right now, it's not very cold, but I don't know, I think cardigan is pretty cute and it can be over like any top. And also this is my only one swimming suit. This is super cute one-piece swimming suit. I got this from H&M for sale. Actually, this is so nice. I really like this one too. Should I bring this with me too? I don't know if I need this. Jean jacket is always nice for all of the outfits, so I don't know, should I bring this? It's kind of huge, so I don't really want to bring like what I don't really need it. I got this t-shirt on size L and it is pretty cool. I don't know if it's too big. I think it's pretty nice. Yeah, I think it's pretty nice size. I think I got the top and I wait for the white and black one. Got a t-shirt. I think I'm going to bring only one short. I think one short is enough. And I got swimming suit. I need the dresses. Got this skirt from Sarah again. I think this is pretty cute. I'm not really sure, should I bring this with me too? I think you guys probably see this already. I have like two of my favorite dress. This one is very simple one. Here's what I have right now. I have my top, cardigans, a swimming suit, I have my jeans, skirt. So now it is like this. I still have some room and I think it's gonna fit. I also have my Longchamp bag. I'm going to put all my makeup bag or some accessory like right there. So I think this is gonna be fine. I need some underwear, I need some socks. Let me show you something. I just got this picnic blanket from Amazon like a couple days ago, and I am so excited. I ordered this because I know that we are going to Lake Tahoe. It is so beautiful, and I think we are going to chill there probably one night. Oh, actually 1 night or 2 nights. I think 2 nights. And yeah, I'm going to bring this to chill at the beach, so that is gonna be very fun. I also need to find some of the shoes that I need to use. It's gonna be very easy because I usually wear sneakers. I got more top, guys. I just watched it and I think it's dry already. This shirt too. This shirt is kind of nice. It's very comfortable, to be honest. I really like it. And look, it's not wrinkled at all. This white tank is what I want. I'm going to pair this with the jean, and I think that is going to be very cute. I just watched my last Pinterest video and I think I love the pants with the white top, so I kind of like that. I will bring this with me too. It is almost done, guys. I think this is what I really needed. The thing that are very important for now is I need to have my mask, I need to have the hand sanitizer, I also need some alcohol spray, and I think that is it. I'm not gonna finish it here today right now because I still use something, so I'm going to pack it up tomorrow again. These are basically what I need to pack. I got a sock right here. I think I'm going to put it in this pocket. This is my flip-flop. I think I'm going to pack this in the plastic bag. And yeah, I think this is pretty much what I have to do. For real, I'm so excited for the road trip. I haven't done this for a while, like since my last LA trip. I will for sure take you guys along with me. Hopefully you guys stay tuned for it. It's going to be very fun. And yeah, that is all what I needed today. I will see you guys in the next video. By the time you see this video, I'm probably on the way to Utah. And yeah, I will see you there then. Bye!